my back hurts and my nerves are tense, and because it's the Great Depression, I have nothing to help with my pain.
I know, right?
Hey! Whoa! Who are you?
I'm from the future, and I'm here to tell you that you don't have to worry about all that pain stuff.
How?
Well, we have essential oils made from birch oil. You know what? Let me show you. Come on!
Alright, what's so cool about manufacturing video was filmed at Woodside Oils in Kane, PA.
The company is owned and operated by doTERRA International, which currently produces birch and cedarwood essential oils at this facility.
Why was this business started?
Because doTERRA was searching for someone to make black birch oil for them, and the location here is suited for that because there are black birch trees here.
Approximately how many people do you think this business will give jobs for?
Right now there are 3 of us that work here full time. It is an overbuild, so there is room to add more stills here, so the possibility is endless, contingent on what we manufacture here.
What is your name and your profession?
My name is John Forker, and I am a distillation technician.
All right. How will this business benefit the community?
We use locally sourced materials to turn into healing essential oils.
How does this help with the economy?
Because all the money that we spend stays here locally, so it helps all local businesses.
How long have they been making essential oils?
Here for a little over a year, but globally for hundreds of years.
And what's your name?
My name's Tyler Victory.
And what do you do here?
My position title is a field technician. I run the equipment, load and unload the baskets, do general maintenance, and can run the operation here.
Time to take you back.
What? No, I don't want to go back. The future is too cool.
Too bad.
I'm okay.